Doing it for the kids. Two women with children in the Bedford Public Schools have a lofty goal to raise $80,000 a year for the next 3 years to save a school liaison officer. Fox Toledo's Jennifer Steck joins us live with their mission and a timeline that has them needing to raise the first $15,000 in a month.
Well, Amy Drehorst and Regina Whalen set out 3 weeks ago to save the Bedford Junior High School liaison officer after cuts would only make it possible to employ one with the school district. They had a plan ready and all they needed was support from the school board tonight. They got it. Now it's time to raise the money. On February 2nd, the Bedford Public School Board, as a part of a deficit elimination plan, announced they would be eliminating the presence of a Monroe County Sheriff's deputy in the junior high school, leaving just one deputy for the high school. Amy Drehorst and Regina Whalen immediately started working on a plan to keep the eliminated officer.
In order to keep the second liaison officer, we would need to raise $80,000 per year for the next 3 years, which is the duration of the deficit elimination plan.
Drehorst and Whalen will be able to begin the fundraising process now that they have approval from the school board, and they say they need to get started fast.
The contract expires in June, and they have to give 90 days notice if they're going to cancel it. So our short term, our immediate goal is $15,000 by March 31st, which we know is aggressive, but the board has to know that this is succeeding.
While the goal to raise $240,000 over 3 years is a lofty one, Drehorst also says when it comes to the kids and their safety, it is well worth it.
You can't really measure what doesn't happen because the officer is there. If he, were not there, what would be going on that's not going on now because he's there? Children can't learn if they don't feel safe and secure.
Well, Drehorst told me if you break down how many families with children in the Bedford School District, comes out to just under $30 a year per year to reach their goal. The two women will present their plan to the community at the next board meeting on March 1st. Reporting tonight, Jennifer Steck, Fox Toledo News.